Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? We are back. In the previous video, we talked about creating your Facebook page to start running Facebook ads. There will be a link to that video up in one of these cards. And in this video, I want to talk about social proofing your fan page. And I briefly covered this in the previous video, but the two main reasons to social proof your fan page are: one, it builds credibility. So when people go to your fan page and look through your stuff and they see that you have 0 likes, they're going to be like, whatever. But if they go to your page and they see you got 1,000, 2,000 likes, they'll be more likely to take action on some of your posts or engage with your posts, because it's only human nature. We like what other people like. And if we see that a bunch of people like this page, you'll be more inclined to like it yourself. The second reason it's important to social proof your fan page is for new ad accounts. This is a great way to warm it up. So this YouTube tutorials, we created this ad account and there's no campaigns in it yet, and we haven't spent anything. So what I like to do on brand new ad accounts is at least spend $25 on social proofing the fan page, and that'll give you a lot of likes. So it's kind of like a 2 birds 1 stone type of deal. So let's get right into it. So objective, we are going to do engagement and page likes. So you see that we created a campaign, engagement, page likes, and then we can just name this social proof, and then your page name if you want. Remember, in the previous video it was Best Products 101. We will continue. Okay, so I'm just gonna label this set 1 low tier countries, because this is gonna be the goal. We are going to target lower tier countries because that results in a lot cheaper Facebook page likes. So I will select the Facebook page, Cody knows second, Best Products 101, and now we will create our audience. And we won't use a custom audience. We'll get into that in the future. That's for like retargeting and choosing lookalike audiences, etc. So right away, we're going to take out the United States, because if you wanted to get page likes at the US, you'll probably be paying like $1 to $2 per page like. But we're shooting for a penny to 5 cent Facebook page likes. So here's a list that I put together. These are the top 10 low tier countries that I target for my social proof, and I'm going to add all these, and then once I let this run for a couple days, I'm going to come back and shoot another video, and I'll dive into the results to show you which of these 10 are resulted in the lowest cost for the page likes. So I'm going to enter them in right now. Oops, not custom audiences. Locations. People who live in this location. Okay, so I imported all those 10 low tier countries, and like I said, we'll come back and see which one performed the best for us. So we're good to go. We'll keep it at all. And right now the potential reach is 450,000. We can even put in English and see if it moves it at all from 450,000 to 370,000. That's perfect. I mean 370 million, not thousand. Detailed targeting. We will do it's like technology, and gadgets or something like that. And let's see if that affected the audience size. So it went from 370 mil to 340 mil. That's fine. Connections. Exclude people who like your page. Yeah, I'll do that because I already ran social proof for this Best Products 101 page, and I think right now it has like 2,000 to 3,000 likes. Edit placements. Facebook newsfeed, that's the only one that we want. So you can do all mobile devices or only when connected to Wi-Fi. Let's see what that would do. I'll leave it as connected to Wi-Fi, because when people are connected to Wi-Fi, they're usually at home and more comfortable and will be more likely to like your page, versus if they weren't on Wi-Fi, who knows if they're waiting at a checkout stand and quickly just pulled up their phone to waste some time, like they'll be less likely to like your Facebook page. Okay, so budget and schedule, cost control, I'm gonna leave this off, and for our budget I'll just go like $15 a day, or actually let's just go 10. And then I'll set a start and end date. So every time you create a campaign, you want to start it for the next day at 12 o'clock. And I'll just set this to expire at the end of November, because I usually just run my Facebook page fan likes for about a week or two, or until I spend like $30 to $40. But it's different for everyone. So at $10 a day, our estimated reach is going to be 3,000. And our estimated page likes are going to be 183 to 529. So we'll see which country performs best. So we got it started here. And another reason why you want to start it the next day at midnight is because if you create a campaign in the middle of the day and then it gets approved, let's say at 8 o'clock at night, then Facebook will try to spend your entire budget within 4 hours instead of spending your budget evenly throughout 24 hours. And if Facebook is trying to spend your budget within 4 hours, you can bet that your cost per like will go way up. So delivery type standard, we're good to go. Now we just got to create our ad, and I'll just name this ad 1. Let's just go image, because we're just going to do a simple image with a call to action. So let's see. I'm going to look through the free stock images, but you can also come to Canva and just type in Facebook and go like Facebook post and design your own. That's totally up to you. You can do that. That's optional. But I'm just going to look through these. I'll just type in technology. And watermarks won't appear in the final ad image, so keep that in mind. Okay, so we got our image, and now we can just write like my page for the newest gadgets. So I just put like my page for the newest gadgets slash, ooh, I spelled tech wrong, slash tech products available online, and I'm gonna add an emoji in here. I'll go to Emojipedia. This is a super useful thing, and it's already got the thumbs up right here. So I'm gonna add that. I'll add it after this. So I found that adding just a simple emoji has increased or decreased the cost per like in my social proof campaigns. And then that's just as simple as it can get. Like my page for the newest gadgets slash tech products available online. And another thing that you can do if you want to get a little more advanced or find an image like this, like technology or something, go to Canva and edit the image and just write like my page with like an arrow down to this like button. But for this example, I'll just keep it simple and not do it. So conversion tracking, this is not for conversions. We're not sending them to a website or anything. So I'm going to take off the Facebook pixel. And then offline events, that you can just leave that. And one other thing we forgot to do, we don't want to target people on laptops because we left it on all devices. So deselect desktop and that'll be fine. Continue. So now it's just on mobile. That's what we want. And okay, so that looks good. Then it says that they found an error. No call to action, but we clearly do because it's like my page. So we're just going to confirm, even though there's an error message. Sometimes I'll get those error messages randomly, and then once I publish the campaign, they're gone. But we'll just have to see because I haven't seen that one before. So one campaign, one ad set, and one ad were published. Now they'll be in review, and since this is a new account, it'll probably take, I don't know, like probably 5 hours to 12 hours or something. And I'm just going to come and check in on this ad, see if that error message is still there. And it looks like it isn't. So that's totally fine. So that's it for this video. That's how simple it is to create a social proof campaign for your new Facebook page and build some credibility and warm up your ad account. So that is all for this video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.